So we're on this project for Wellington Water. We're building a 70 metre by 20 metre by 6 metre tall retention tank. It's here to take any excess stormwater out of the network through these diversion weirs into a pump station and pushed up into the treatment or the holding tank until the treatment plants can sort of take this volume. Currently the normal network overflows and pretty much the wastewater trickles out of the manhole lids and into the live stream. So the whole idea is we're enhancing the capacity for the Porirua wastewater network. Down at projects, we've been engaged to build a holding reservoir where the wastewater network, once it is overflowing over capacity, can transfer some 2 weirs that we've installed into the pump station and be pushed and held in capacity for the reservoir until the network has enough space capacity to release these back into the treatment plants. The site, a lot of challenging aspects. This in behind us here is State Highway 59. Over to my west is the main key rail run, so we're sort of stuck in between these two major assets. We have Canterbury Stream running around us and we have wetlands in the middle of us, so very restricted site, very hard, one way in, one way out. Lucky enough, got all the earthworks done in summer and we've just been through a winter period, continuing to do bulk earthworks and survived that. So right at the start, got in touch with the Condor team here, known from previous projects, and pretty much the main goal was we were coming through to do bulk earthworks for 13,000 cubes out through the winter period. So ended up looking at one of the Moby Dick wheel wash units, ended up getting a great deal and then buying a second-hand one out of Auckland. It was sort of a no-brainer with the length of the job, high versus buy. So finally, lucky enough, they found me one. I was able to purchase it. We own it as an asset, and so far they've been constant maintenance, constant help, and every time there's something wrong, they pop out and fix it for me. So that's been a real good kit to buy. The other one, the second piece, the main piece, was one of the clarify units that was able to sort of, as we dug our excavations at deep holes, that high volume of water coming into open trenches, we're able to sort of remove the water from the trenches, treat the water using an automated system, and be able to prove to council that our pHs, our turbidity, all those little things are after were treated, and then we could release it straight in the wetlands and allow us to work through winter. So really 2 good kits that allow us to do a lot of work through winter. So very, very happy we were able to get these and actually own them now. The main reason why I continue to use Condor and did so again on this project is probably the back-end service. Always been able to ring up the local suppliers. They've always coming out, dropping off pipes. When something breaks, fix it that afternoon, coming past that morning. So that's one of the reasons why I continue to use Condor, really. It's the back-end service that we get. I would highly recommend Condor for the service we get and the systems they can provide, and we'll continue to use so in the future. So not a problem with that.